Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I'll show you how you can install iPhone keyboard on this device. At the first, open Play Store, click on the search pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. We have to get this application from Arvin Apps. Right now we can open it. Click to enable in the settings, pick this option, Green Apple Keyboard, click OK, click OK another time, then just go back and switch input methods. Right now we have to select English United States keyboard and click Finish. After that, when we open, for example, the messages, we can find new keyboard theme. As you can see, it looks very close to the iOS device. And that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.